Seed starting and garden supplies at Tractor Supply Store. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. I am here at Tractor Supply, and guess what? They have seeds on sale. They have burpee seeds over here on sale, 25% off, and they have a good, huge selection of seeds and other garden stuff. So let's take a look and see what they have over here for seeds. Over here you have see variety of seeds: carrots, corn, beans. You have okra, you have salad and carrots, peppers, onions. They have variety of peppers over here. You have pumpkins, radish, um, cucumbers, and watermelons. So they have a good selection of seeds over here. And my advice is always, if you intend to buy seeds or intend to get seeds, you want to get the seeds that you want before the start of the season or before people start buying them, especially if you're looking for special seeds that's not very readily available. So you want to try to see if you can grab those seeds before they run out or they are sold out. So definitely check out what they have over here, especially if you're looking for seeds. I try to save my seeds. Most of my seeds, I save the seeds from the previous season. So usually I get maybe a few, maybe like 5% of my seeds from the store, but most of my seeds, I save the seeds from the previous year so that I don't buy seeds every year. So you can do that, but if you haven't done that, you can try to do that this year, or you can get your seeds at the store over here like this, or you can check online, various online sites and catalogs. For that, I'll see if I can put a link to some of my favorite sites where I get seeds, where you can get some seeds at. So I'll put a link in the description or in the comments below. So definitely check it out, see what they have, and you might be able to get some deals also there. But over here they have, like I said, they have a huge selection of seeds, and this selection usually you'll be able to get when you're at the beginning of the season like this. You're gonna be able to get what you're looking for easily. But later on you might not find the selection of the exact seeds you're looking for. So check it out, and let me know in the comments below if you have shopped at Tractor Supply before. If you've bought seeds at Tractor Supply, let me know in the comments below. Over here they have seed starting containers. You have the seed starting pots up there. You have the seed starting tray. These are reusable trays that pop from the bottom, and these are self-watering trays over here. 72 pack self-watering trays. On this side they have 8-pack trays, and down here they have pack of seeds. This is a huge pack of seeds, white flower seeds and other seeds, flower seeds that you can get if you intend to plant a lot of space of seeds. Then you can get seeds like seed packs like these. These are huge seed packs, over 2,000 seeds, and they are $9.99. So down here you have the same thing, different variety, hummingbirds, butterfly. Like I said, they have different variety of seeds. Same over here. This is seed starting greenhouse pack, 72 cell. So they have very different kinds of seed starting greenhouse packs. So check out the ones that they have over here. Here these are garden fertilizer, garden tone fertilizer. This is a huge pack that should last season. Same over here, tomatoes, fertilizers. They're fertilizers that you can use for your garden later on or now in the growing season. If you're already growing stuff, these are different variety of fertilizers that you can also use. And here you have garden hats and garden tools. These are tools that you can use for planting, harvesting, and just doing other stuff in the garden. So organic gardening tools right here. Over here they have a variety of flowers that you can plant. You have Canna right here. You have Oriental. So they are huge selection of flowers that you can plant. These are flowers and flower stems that have roots already, so you can just plant them in your garden bed or your raised bed, wherever you want to plant. So over here they have elephant ears plants over here. Over here on this side, you have more flowers, and like I said, they have a good selection of flowers and good selection of different ones. You have hydrangeas, you have Bodleia, you have Rose of Sharon, you have strawberries. These are fruits that you can plant, kiwi and others, strawberries and other berries and figs that you can plant on this side over here. So right now at the beginning of the season like this, you get a good selection of stuff that they have, and you're able to get what you need. But even grapes, they have grapes over here on this side. They have more flowers over here that have been growing. So these grapes, we have 2 types or 3 types of grapes over here that you can plant, and they come with the stem and the roots that you plant. I have a couple of videos that talks about how to plant videos. Check out my YouTube channel for that. Down here you have more grapes. I bought some of these similar grapes a couple of years from another store. That was, I think, Walmart, and I have a video that shows you how to plant them, and the grapes like 4 or 5 years now. So definitely check out my channel for more of those. So over here on this side, they have more stuff that you can plant. Asparagus right here. These are asparagus. If you want to plant asparagus, they have the roots over there that you can get the roots. Garlic, they have garlic if you intend to plant garlic. Usually it's best to plant by the fall, but you can still plant it now. More asparagus over here. Rhubarb over here. So all these roots, they come with a couple of roots, and they give you instructions in the back on how to plant them. If you don't know how to plant them, you can read the instructions in the back. It tells you step by step what to do to plant it. Over here they have onions sets right here. They have these onion bulbs that you can plant, and they have, this is the yellow onions right here, and this is the white onions. So you can see some of them already started germinating already in there, and these are the another variety of onions. So you can see they have quite a few in there. So check out what they have down here. They have potatoes. If you plant potatoes or you intend to grow potatoes, you can get the potatoes now. Even though it's early, what I usually do is I can get potato packs like these and just put it in the basement or put it on the floor, nice cool area where it gets a little bit of light. And in a month's time, they will start germinating. You can just cut off the heads and then plant it in your garden when it's time to plant in your garden. So definitely try that. So we have red potatoes over here. And also what I also try to do is to save potato seeds from the previous years. I'll show you a video in a few, maybe coming soon, that's going to show you how some of the potatoes that I harvested, I didn't use all of it. I saved it, and I was able to get some seedlings from that. So here you have fruit trees right here, and you have the support cages over here for tomatoes and other stuff. So on this side, same thing, you have fruit trees. They have, I think, 3 or 4 different types of fruit trees over here. You have peach, you have apple, you have different fruit trees over there. So over here you have same thing, seeds, different variety of seeds over here. You have herbs on this side. You have cilantro, lavender, and you also have some beans and other variety of beans down here. You have flowers, and like I said at the beginning, they are 25% off. And you also have organic seeds over here. These are seeds, organic seeds that you can grow. If you want to grow only organic seeds, you can grab organic seeds over here too, where you can get different variety of seeds for different plants and flowers. So this is a seed tape. Seed tape is a tape that you just has seeds on them, and you just line up the tape on your garden bed, and the seeds grow on that tape and provide you like a line or structure of planting. Over here on this side you have on the top you have seed starting supplies and other garden supplies like the plastic plant, and you have clips over here, you have trellis, netting, you have twine over here to use to hold tomatoes and other stuff. Down here you have, these are big packs of seeds, $13.99. These are big pack of seeds. If you plant a lot of corn, beans, and other things, this is when you get a big pack like this, or if you have a lot of space to plant them. You can also grab them and plant half this year and plant half next year, or if you share your seeds with friends or family, then you can grab a big pack like this and the whole family can share it. That's another way of doing it. So these are big packs of seeds that have a lot of seeds in them. So if you have a huge garden, then you can get seeds like these. That way you are able to get as many seeds as possible. Over here you have other fertilizers, Miracle-Gro plant food fertilizers. On this side here you have tree watering bags, and then you have other evergreen fertilizers over here. So here is same of the seeds that we just showed you. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.